Are you tired of the never-ending grind of manual internal linking? The hidden stress, the wasted hours, the feeling that you're always behind? Get ready for a game changer. It's time to face the truth about how manual SEO is costing you time, traffic, and money. This is the death of manual internal linking. We're setting the stage with a dramatic, urgent tone to highlight the problem. The pain is real. For every 10 posts you publish, you're dedicating 5 painstaking hours just to find and manually insert internal links. And what happens when you miss a link? Orphaned Pages get zero link juice, leaving them stranded and invisible to search engines. Manual SEO isn't free. It's a heavy time tax on your business, draining resources that should be focused on growth. Enough of the struggle. Prepare for the dramatic shift that transforms inefficiency into one-click ease. The old way is dead. Watch as the problem state is broken, and we transition to the automated, efficient future of SyncRanker. The future is here. Stop wasting time searching for links. It's time to start syncing your site with SyncRanker. Introducing SyncRanker's internal link sync feature. This is the moment of revelation, automation at its finest. SyncRanker instantly maps your entire site structure, understanding the exact relationships between every piece of content in seconds. With SyncRanker, you're not just saving time, you're optimizing your entire SEO performance for maximum impact. The result is undeniable. Maximum link juice flow, better content hierarchy, and a clear path to high-ranking success. Say goodbye to Orphaned Pages forever. SyncRanker ensures every page is perfectly linked, boosting your overall site authority. Ready to stop wasting time and start scaling your SEO? Kill the manual work and embrace the power of automation. Visit SyncRanker.com today and supercharge your site.